Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here with Luke Thomas, workshop engineer at United Plant Services. Luke, you have been doing an awful lot of work on this Volvo wheel loader that's coming from one of the key clients. Tell me a little bit about the job here, because it's come from site into here, so it's a big job you're doing, isn't it?
Yeah, so the initial diagnosis was we had a lot of oil leaks on this engine.
Yep.
Took it in off the low loader and inspected it. The oil leaks were coming from the crank seal, the rear crank seal, so that means we've had to take out the engine.
Right, yep.
So yeah, it's been in for the past week or so.
Yeah.
We've had the engine out, resealed a lot of things on this engine. Now we're coming up to show time to get a bit of smoke out of it.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think, you know, part of that process is, like you say, is that you knew that this machine needed to come into the workshop from the inspections that your colleagues have done and things like that, didn't you?
That's it, yes.
And so the processes that you go through, it's really methodical, isn't it, with stripping out and then putting back in again, isn't it?
From initial diagnosis from the lads out on site, you know, we get a bit of an idea of what's going on. Their photographs and everything we work with, just so that we've got a bit of an idea what they're seeing out on site with their working temperatures and things, which gives us sort of an inkling where to sort of make headway.
Yep.
We carry out our initial inspections here,
where
we can further any of the bits that they found. So initially it was front of engine here, there was a few leaks. Further diagnosis from ourselves, we found that the crank seal was weeping,
right,
so a little bit wet at the rear of the engine here. So you know that we gave that information to the customer, that made a decision for us to crack on and do that job, as well as the initial diagnosis from the lads out on site.
Well, they do say the heart of a machine is the engine, but the heart of the engine's the crank, isn't it?
So,
you know, so what you'll have done by the time this work is finished is, you know, solved all those problems, and then you're back on site again, aren't you?
Yeah, prolonged the life of the engine and the machine as well. You know, it'll stop dirt ingress into the machine, stop oil leaking from the machine, and causing any more problems.
Because of course, you know, not only is that not performing very well, the engine, when you've got leaks and stuff, obviously you're contaminating the ground as well, so there's the cleanup kits and everything else that has to go with that. So you have trusted me with a really, really big task, because you have got to the end of it and you've kept this back for me, especially, folks. I am going to put the oil back in, and then we're going to see whether it actually comes out again, or you've solved the problem. I'm going to think that they've solved the problem, folks. Otherwise, they wouldn't be letting me do this. But come on, let me have some of the oil so I can pop some in. So we're ready here, folks, with the oil, and this is the oil that you've got a relationship with the oil sort of supplier as such as well, haven't you?
Yeah, it's absolutely brilliant, really.
So the good stuff is going back in, folks, and remember, the oil definitely needed to make sure an engine's going to run smoothly. So here we go, folks, popping some oil in. Right, and I'm looking at the floor. I'm not seeing any leakage, Luke, so there you go. I've done my bit, so I've now fixed this engine with Luke. Thanks very much for your time, Luke. That's brilliant to see you. Cheers.
Spot on, thank you.